Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us. Hochi all day, Jama. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Whole prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
哦 Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eye's guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇 Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker.
Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with dog eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎。Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊。So, 10 guys, huh? You feel this? They're just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right, you wanna be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about.
You like that?
Hey, you think you can fight?
How about that?
You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when
That all you
shit
got?
gets heated. Wipe that smile off your face.
You going back down?
Hello, boys.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊？
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦嚇。
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
It's Wei. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls with Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Wei's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, wait, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, dog eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, yes. He used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not Dog Eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. Momentai.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit butt.
That sucks. She was, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country, the hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking Dog Eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss. But when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to you. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know? Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. You need anything? Just come ask.
No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Just like the movies, man. Hey, you wanna do the talking?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Be a tough guy. I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. But Dog Eye won't be happy.
Dude, I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while.
Over here. I think this guy's with Dog Eyes.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay us, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back toy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass! Show him what you're made of! This isn't good! What kind of protection is this? Beat that punk!
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there. You don't look like you could. Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf. You don't fuck with anyone under our protection.
was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe a drug enforcement.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Everything a bargain.
Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here, people need to know you're one of us. We got an image to maintain, only the best brands. People gotta know you're successful.
Clothes make the man, huh?
Definitely, it's all about the clothes, man. You know how it is. People judge you by how you look.
I got clothes. Thanks. Come again. Excellent. Thanks. Come again. Thanks. Shop often.
Get back to Winston. Oh, that was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do
Hey,
this.
Jackie!
You want to tell her what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up.
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you! Don't fuck with me.